Yeah.
అమ్మ చుట్టలు చెప్పాను కదమ్మా నీకు.
Length function. What function, sir? Length function. Same story like a list. A equals to, let me just try to create 10, 20, 30, 40 and B equals, I'm creating tuple. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let me just try to check length of A. The next one, length of B. Length of what exactly? B actually. And C equals to like this. D equals to like this actually. Now let me tell you one small story. What is the story, you know? C and let me print D actually. Good. Everybody look at my screen. By looking at this line, you need to remember function call, written. Simple. Thank you. By looking at this line, you need to think written. What is that one? How can we say written, Daniel? Simple, sir. Function calling, we are assigning into variable. Function calling, we are assigning into. Why these many times I'm reporting, you know? In a total data science, I would like to say 90% of the topic is important. Written keyword, written. Wherever you go, written topic will follow you, Sachi. Yes, see, we are calling length function backend. It was defined with the written. Even if you want, I will give one small example. Did you remember there is a function how to take value at runtime? How to take a value at runtime? Yeah, very good. Input actually. Now today I can repeat one more time. Yeah, good. So input is a predefined function. Input is what, Sachi? Predefined function. Input function calling, you are assigning into variables backend written. Backend. This point I didn't explain during this topic actually, but today you can understand. Why? Because you know, so input function backend it is having the written keyword. How can we say function calling we are assigning into? That's it. Close the cinema. Okay. Yeah. This is the deep dive actually. Not only straight points we are saying, deep dive. Yeah. Length function. I have a question. How many functions in this example? 2 functions. What is the first one? Length. The next one?
Print.
Nice. Good. Methods in tuple data structure. What is the topic name, Saji? Methods in tuple data structure. Oh, seems to be same topic I already covered during string, during list actually. I may not explain the whole process one more time, but I can directly jump into the topic. Why? Because we already done 2 times actually. Let me explain in a high level. Methods topic, sir. Methods, you know, this topic is important. Important topic actually. Almost this topic will be repeat. Methods in str class. The next one methods in list class. The next one methods in tuple class. Methods in set class. Intentionally I have designed my material like this actually, so that you can feel, yeah, we know this topic. You should feel like that actually. The next one methods in series class. Very good, sir. Thank you. I thought I have written that. Dict class. Dict class. The next one methods in series class. The next one methods in data frame class. The next one methods in linear regression class. Methods in after linear regression, go to the sequential class. Sequential class actually. Methods in agent class. Agent class. Oh my god. So we started from Python till to the agentic AI we have seen actually. First two, these are all belongs to the Python, sir. These are all, trust me, Python. Python. Now you have to realize today, everywhere methods topic is available. That's what I wanted to highlight. Here I am not doing any overaction. I wanted to confirm that, you know. So everywhere. What is the topic name? Data analysis. And here also data analysis actually. Data analysis. Machine learning, very good. ML. The next one DL, deep learning actually. The next one agentic AI, Gen AI, agentic AI. These are all things actually. So please get ready. Methods topic seems to be the very small one. It is having in. I'm sorry, online team. Let's move on. So the topic name is so called. Today I need to discuss about the topic. The topic name is what exactly, sir? Methods in tuple class. One more time. Methods in tuple class. I am directly jumping into the topic actually. The topic is simple. Point number 1. Tuple is a predefined class. Tuple is what, Sajid? Predefined class. Predefined class. Then generally speaking, class contains methods.
Methods.
Class contains,
Methods.
one more time, class contains,
Method contain object
yeah,
name.
next one more point, important point, important point. Keynote actually. We can call method by using object name. Chappane. We can call method by using object name. Daniel, do you wanted to see all methods inside of, I'm not explaining that Sodhi. I already done actually. Any program we can implement in a 3 ways. What is the first one? Procedure oriented. We know. Blah, blah, blah. We know, I guess actually. Why? Because 2 to 3 times I covered. I don't want to make you to feel bored. Okay? Fine. Let me enter into the topic directly. Inside class, I wanted to see all methods. Then you need to call a function. Function name is a dir. What is the function name? Good. So seems to be function names, so error names chali chala రోజులు అయింది. Just have a look into that function names. Okay. I covered filter and enumerate. Very nice. Yeah. Enumerate. Then did I covered function is so called as a zip function. I will cover, which I can make it like interview question actually. Okay, come on, Sarji, everybody, slow. You can slowly you can read actually. First one, print type. Very nice. One more time, error. Syntax error. Very nice. Good, let's move on. Now we can call method by using object name. Remember this one. There is a one function. Function name is called as a dir. What is the function name, sir? dir actually. Daniel, by using this, this is the predefined function. It's a predefined function. Predefined function. By using this, we can get all methods in class. All methods in what, Sarji? In class actually. From a class. Whenever you are calling this one, you can get 2 types of methods. You can get what exactly? 2 types of method. Hold on. While calling the method name should be match. Otherwise, very nice. Let us make a note here. While calling the method, name should be match. Name should be what, Saji? Match. Otherwise, attribute error. Guర్తుంచుకోవాలి. 2 types of methods, Saji. The first one with underscore symbol. With underscore symbol. You can ignore this as of now. It is upcoming topic. Simple, it is upcoming topic. Daniel, when? During oops. The second one will be without underscore. What exactly, sir? Without underscore symbol. Please focus on this actually. Please focus. Okay. But let me tell you, in tuple, we have only 2 methods. We have only what exactly, sir? 2 methods actually. 2 methods. Runde methods ఉంటాయి. Only 2 methods actually. Only 2 methods. One is count method. Next one is index method actually. Let me show you that. This theory you can walk through. This theory. One is count method. Next one is what method, Sarji? Index method. Only 2 methods would have. One is count method. The next one is index method. Daniel, why? Because having immutable nature, Sarji. Right. So if other methods, what exactly? It can manipulate the tuple actually. Good. Count method almost. Let me tell you. Count is a method. Count is what, such a method. This method, it is even available in str class. Did you remember? It is even available in list class. It is even available in very, very important. Please make a note actually. These are all classes it is available. Method name is the same. Method name is what, Saji? Same.
Order?
Functionality also same. These kind of methods are very rare. So seems to be they have given same name for so every class actually. Same method name for every class. Yeah. Move on. This theory you can do during whoops actually. Count method and next one is index method. Count is a predefined method. We should access this method by using tuple object. This method returns the number of occurrences of specific item in the tuple. Simple frequency of the value. Chapman sir, frequency. What do you mean by frequency? A specific number of a specific value. How many times it is repeated? I wanted to know. A specific value. How many times it is repeated? I wanted to know actually. If you want, can I play one small game? Yeah, good. So let us just say to count method actually. Every hotel owner, I'm talking about the small hotel, end of the day they will apply this actually. End of the day. So think like this one is their container in the box actually. In that box they do have your money, 10 rupees notes, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, again 10 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, again 20 rupees note. Yeah, we have. The next one 50 rupees note actually. 50 rupees notes. The next one 100 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, 100. Gold. Do you think 1000 would you have? I will cry. We don't have actually, right? Let me just have to take this. Now let us apply this. Now let us write one small point. What is that point? So a equals to integer of input enter value. Now b equals to what exactly I am planning, sir? Box. Oh, I need to take chappan sir. Tuple kada. Tuple. Box dot count of. Can I apply what? A actually. Now let us just have to see. What I need to print, Sarji? B. Did you understand what I'm doing? Yeah, I have a box. I mean to say list of. Group of tuple of values I do have. At runtime, I wanted to enter some value. That value, how many times it is repeated, I wanted to know. Right, good. Let us just enter the code. Very good. Enter the value. Which one? 5. 5 I entered, sir. How many times 5 is available? If you want cross verify, I'm sure. Don't think like here also 5, here also 5. This 50 Sarji. Please wake up actually. Right? Let us enter the code. 50. How many times 50 available? 2 times. Let us enter actually. So 10. 10 how many times it is available? This is really very good. How many times, Sarji? 4 times actually. Are you clear? Yeah. I have a question for you. Can you tell me how many functions in this example? Very good. What is the first one? Input, print. One more time. How many methods? What is that? If method name wrong, what is output? One more time. Perfect actually. Perfect. You got it, I guess. Oh, sorry, Sarji. Here itself we are getting error. Here itself. It is not even going to here actually. Why value error? Can I tell you? See, when you are asking, we have to tell integer. We have to provide what, Sarji? So within the double quote integer came. Within the double quote what came actually? Integer came. It will convert into integer by removing this actually. By removing what exactly, sir? This. But while you are running the program, if you are entering hello, what happen? Within the double quote hello will come. Then hello into how into function will work actually. That's what you are getting value error. What error? It's okay. You can ignore that. Yeah. Input Sarji. Now count method. Yep. Perfect. I can take this example and we can move on. Okay. So we done these are all. The next one, index method. Daniel, a specific value index, so index of here you need to specify the value. 30 value, what is index actually? 2. 10 value, what is index actually? 0. So do you want it to get a specific value index? Then there is a method name is index method. What method, Sarji? Very rare, sir. Deen manu ekkuva use cheyam. So specific value, 30th value index I am trying to capturing. Yeah, good. So the index is the 2. So imagine if you are providing the value which is not available, you will get an error, Sarji. You will get what exactly, sir? Error. What is that error? Value error. While you are accessing the method name should be say match. Otherwise, attribute error. Exactly, attribute error. Okay, good. Move on. A difference between list and tuple. Then last 5 minutes we can close tuple. We can say bye to tuple actually. Get ready. There is a last one point. Difference between list and tuple. Please make a note, important interview question. During interview also they will ask actually, you need to explain these are all points. Very simple. Sir, when you're talking about the list and tuple, there are some similarities, there are some differences. What do you mean by similarity? Insertion order is fixed, same. It can store same type of value, it can store a different type of value, same. Indexing, same. Am I right or not, sir? Right? Yeah. List and tuple exactly same, except the small difference. List objects having mutable, tuple objects are
immutable.
First to remember that point. Next one, insertion order is fixed. Yes, for both it is same nature. Duplicates it can load. Heterogeneous objects it can store. Indexing and slicing possible actually. I mean to say these are all similarities. These two only differences actually. This one. List. Daniel, what is a list? List is a group of comma separated values within the square brackets, and square brackets is what, Sajji? Why I am highlighting here, you know? Why? Because for a tuple it is a optional actually, right? So tuple is a group of comma separated values within the parenthesis, and parenthesis is can I move on actually? Please don't ask, run this example. We done that Hadavadi I done actually, sir. List objects are having mutable nature. Means once you create a list, we cannot perform any. We can change. We can perform any changes over that object. Repeating again, mutable means can be changed. Mutable means can be changed. Tuple immutable cannot be changed. Cannot be changed. Modify, update. మీరు modify చేయలేరు, update చేయలేరు. We know. These are all we know. Daniel, when should I go for list? When should I go for tuple? This is important. Imagine if the content is not fixed. If the content is not fixed, it is keep on changing. There is a one program. Inside that program, you are creating a kind of some employee salaries actually. Employee what, Sajji? Salaries. Employee salaries will be changed. First employee salary this month like this. Second employee salary this month like this. Next year it will be changed actually. Right? If the content is not fixed and keep on changing, then we should go for list to data structure. If content is fixed, it never change over the period. Something like, you know, employee names, employee mail ID, all your student mail ID actually. All your student mail ID is a unique mail ID. Am I right or not, sir? Right? And these are all. If content is fixed and never change over the period, then we should go for tuple. We should go for what, such a tuple. Sir, interview question. There is one interview question I am covering. During interview, they will ask like this. First, they will ask question number 1. How they will ask, you know? Can we add value to the tuple? Can we add value to what's such a tuple? Tell me your answer.
Not directly.
No, very good. Then they will counter question. This is so called as a counter question. What about this tuple? They will ask like this. What about this tuple? Counter question means, you know, based on your response, they will answer. They will ask a question. What about below tuple? Below tuple actually. Below tuple. Okay. Get ready. What do you mean by below tuple? A equals to tuple 10, 20, 30, comma. Within the tuple, we are creating a list. Syntactically, first of all, valid actual. So seems to be 10, 20, 30, comma. Within the tuple, can I create a list actually, sir? Possible. Let me show you, right? And I would like to tell 40, 50, 60. Now here 70, 80, 90. It's okay, cool. Now let me just try to print A. And first of all, I would like to execute this example, sir. You will get an idea. Now your answer should be, let me tell you. First, let's take this. Let us play the game. Let us play the small game. You will get an idea. Even I need visualization also. You will get a clarity. Did you remember, boss? I told one website name. What is that website name? Python. Yeah. Python tutor. Java, right? Python, boss.
మా ఫ్యాన్ అమ్మా ఎప్పుడు కట్టేసావు?
Yeah, I will run the code. Hold on. Daniel, what exactly happened in the backend? What happened, you know, sir? Do you wanted to know this point actually? Yeah, I wanted to know. Backend tuple created. Tuple in 0th index 10 value stored. In first index 20 value. In second index 30 value. In second index. Now let me tell you, after second index, third index actually. In third index, the whole list stored actually. This is beautiful. In only third index itself, whole list stored actually. Then next one, this is the fourth index, fifth index. Daniel, are you sure? Are you sir? I'm sure. Let us run the code actually. Visualize execution. Click on. Yeah. Please make a note. This is the beautiful diagram actually. Make a note on this one. As I told you, 10 zeroth index, 20 first index, 30 second index, third index. Did you notice? Whole list actually. Now here is the point. During interview, what they will ask, can I add a value to the tuple actually? Now please understand my terminology. 10 value belongs to tuple. 20 value belongs to tuple. 30 belongs to tuple. 40 not belongs to tuple. 40 belongs to, then instead of 40 you can replace with 99. Please understand. Don't ask how. Sir, first of all understand which value belongs to which data structure. I have a question. 60 value belongs to, 70 belongs to. Please recognize that actually. If it is list came, you can update actually. Then let me tell you how to update. Are you clear, Saji? Come on, let's do that. So tuple can store list also. Tuple can store what, Saji? List also, along with that values. Along with that, what exactly value? We'll do one thing. Meanwhile, let me show you a few examples. You'll get an idea. Everybody make a note. E of 0. Can somebody answer actually E of 0? What is answer? 10. Very good. E of 1. What is answer? Very good. E of 2. What is answer? Yeah. Thank you. Let us run the code. You will get an idea. Code run chadam chudandi. Perfect. You are getting. Now let's do one thing. A of chaptara A of 3. A of what, Saji? The moment whenever you are trying to accessing A of 3, the whole list will come actually. Please make a note. Are you clear first of all? Why? Because look at the diagram, Saji. Third index, the whole list data structure stored actually. Are you clear, Saji? Thank you. Then I can move on. E of 40 also I can write. So here more explanation required. Please be patient. See, E of what exactly, sir? 5. Daniel, enough. Sure, Saji. Good. Maybe 90 you can capture actually. I wanted to capture 90. Then what is index? Japan, Saji. 6th index. E of 6 actually. Good. Indexing we are applying. Now here is the story. You know very well how to access a specific value, but my requirement will be, I wanted to access only 40. When I say 40, please make a note on this one. First of all, you can try to access 0, 1, 2, 3. Third index, let us try to access. Third index actually. Exactly, Daniel. We are accessing. Very good. We are fetching that list actually. From this list, do you wanted to access 40? Then what is the 40th position? 0. What is the 40th position? Then what you need to do, you can enable here again index actually 0. This is the way we can access. Nice, sir. You understand, I guess, right? Good. Then what you can do? Let us add here. Access value from list by using index. By using what, Saji? Index. Now I wanted to change this one. Possible, Saji? Then do one thing. LHS equals to, I believe you guys understand. Then you can print what exactly, sir? I have one small question. Let me ask a question. Do you think I changed tuple actually? No. You changed what exactly? List. Conclusion of the story. During interview, this is the very important interview question. If they're asking, can I change this tuple? You ensure that you need to tell, we should not update the tuple. But if tuple contains list, that list we can update. That is the best answer. That is what, Saji? Best answer. Are you clear? Right. You should not change 10. You should not even change 80. But you can change 60. You can change 40. Within the list, any value you can touch. Within the list actually. Are you clear, sir? Yeah. But the same notation let us apply. E of 0 apply chadam chudandi. Can you tell me? Type error, sir. What error?
Type error.
Why? Any idea? A of 0, 10 belongs to tuple. 10 belongs to?
Tuple.
I hope you got a clarity. The good news is we didn't tuple. Online team, are you following? First value, sir. Mukhtar Sarji, just now I have seen first value. Good. Online team, there are some questions just now I have seen. Oh. Let us take today till 12 session actually. No. I will not take, don't worry. Okay. Set the data structure. What data structure, sir? Set data structure. Are you ready? Yeah, Daniel. We are ready. Let's close whatever not required. I can close this. Let's open our material. Everybody should be in Google Classroom. Why? Because we are using Google Classroom platform to share the material. It's to, yeah, we are almost very near, Sarji. Daniel, can you give me when you are going to close Python? When we are going to close Python, you know, Sarji? Dictionary, object, oops, 3-day session, sir. After oops, pack is also pending. What is pending? Pack is also exception handling during ML anyway. This week we are going to freeze the Python. This week we are going to close what, Sarji? Python actually. Are you clear? Yeah. So once after Python, Daniel, what is the next topic? After Python, actual cinema will start, sir. The point will be, Daniel, why you covered Python? Why we covered Python, you know, sir? So after Python, data analysis, they are using Python. Machine learning, they are using Python. Deep learning, Python. Agentic AI, Python. NLP, Python. Everywhere Python. Python or Python? Python actually. It's a Python programming language, right? Almost machine learning example, deep learning example, Jenny example, everywhere we should use Python. That's what, you know, we are really spending decent time to understand the Python. Are you clear, sir? Right. So data analysis. Once you're done with the Python, so the next one, data analysis, actually, it won't take much time. Around 1 week topics, actually, 21 topics would have 1 week. Here, we used to play with company data. Once you join in a company will give the data in a file actually. In what, Sarji? File. Do you wanted to see that file? Daniel, we are eager to see. Let's open the file and sales1.csv. This file company will give. Then this file we need to load by writing a Python program. Can I tell you, just a matter of online search. There is a one predefined function. You can call that predefined function. Then, you know, the whole data, it will be stored in object actually. It will be stored in what, Sarji? Object actually. We'll see. I will cover one by one actually. Don't worry. This is the data. This data we need to load actually. Okay. So these are all anyway upcoming topics. But anyway, let us continue with the regular topic. This week we are going to close Python. We are covering, sir, Manohar Garu, Matplotlib, Seaborn. Data analysis means Pandas only. What is the running notes number? 29 kada? 34 is the last. I know the numbering actually. 34 or 35. Okay. Fine. Till now we are very good in 2 topics. First one is a list to data structure. Next one is tuple data structure. Now it's the right time. Another data structure we need to enter. Same story. Here also I will cover again 7 points actually. How many points, sir? This pattern is really very good so that you can understand very easily actually. Daniel, set a data structure. What data structure, sir? Set a data structure. Get ready, Sarji. Can you tell me now? I wanted to hear from your sweet voice actually. What is the first point? Create. The first point is always create.
By using curly braces.
Create actually. Now let me tell you. You can just to apply here, Sarji. You can. Please make a note of this. Okay. We can create a set. By using curly brace. By using what, Sarji? Curly brace. You can also call as a flower braces. But when you are saying you can create a set by using curly braces, use one word actually. What is that word? You know, with values. Value is mandatory. What is mandatory, sir? Value is mandatory. Daniel, otherwise what happened? Hold on, I will tell you. Later we'll discuss actual. When I was explaining about the square brackets, I didn't use this word. Parenthesis, I didn't use this word actually. But especially, are you planning to create a set by using curly brace actually? Yeah, Daniel, with values required. I mean to say values mandatory. What is mandatory? Otherwise, that is not a set actual. I will show you that one later. Right? Yeah, very good. Then the next one will be set function also possible. What is possible, sir? Set function, right? Daniel, please show me the example. Sure, sir. Let me show you. A equals to set 10, 20, 30, 40. Let me just try to print. So successfully we have created a set and I would like to check either it is really set or not. Actually, you can call a function. Function name is a tuple. What is the function name, sir? Yeah. Let me wake up actually. Type function. Once after we have created a set, I would like to check either it is really set or not. I need to call a function. Function name is a type function. What function, sir? Type function. Only thing. I'm drinking water, Sarji. Creating a set. Creating what, Sarji? Set data structure by using curly braces. By using what, Sarji? Curly braces. Now the next point. Set function we'll see later. After create, what is the next step, Sarji? Come again? Store. Very good. Store actually. Store. Daniel, what type of values it can store? Sir, it will store same type of value and it will store even what exactly? Different type of value. Different type of what, Sarji? Values. It will store both. Same type of values and it will store different type of values. Make a note on this. Okay? Yeah, Daniel. It's okay. Do you wanted to see that example? Comma. Hello? Yeah, different type of value.
Insertion order is not fixed.
Set can store different type of values. Homogeneous data and heterogeneous data. We done this, Sarji. Can you read along with me? Create, store. The next one. Size increases dynamically, sir. Same thing like a list. Same thing like what exactly? List. Increases dynamic. Having dynamic nature. Having what nature? Dynamic nature. Dynamic nature actually. There are few points. Let me write like this here onwards actually. When you're talking about the size, dynamic, not a dynamic actually. Not a dynamic. Static also you can say. Yeah. Can you tell me dynamic? For list it is a dynamic. For set it is a dynamic actually. What about not a dynamic? Tuple, please make a note. Like that. Let me highlight like this so that a small table you can easily understand. Can I compare like this actually? I will compare, sir. Move on. You can call get size of function. Come on, one more time. Create, store, size. One more time. Nice. What is the fourth point? Insertion order. Very good, Sarji. Anyway, let us open the material. You can easy to understand. Create. Curly braces, also called as a flower braces. Set predefined function. A set can store group of objects, also called as a values or elements. A set can store same type of values and set can store different type of value. A set size will be increased dynamically. And set insertion order, this point is important, sir. This point is against to the list and tuple. List and tuple insertion order is fixed, but set data structure not fixed. Make a note on this, okay? Insertion order. Not fixed, sir. G. Not fixed actually. Insertion order. Fixed. And here I can write not fixed. Where are all fixed, Sarji? List and tuple. Very nice. Please maintain this kind of table so that you can easy to remember. The next one, where are all not fixed? Set. Nice. Let me write one small example. చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాస్తాను చూడండి. Since long we know these are all points. 10, 20, 30, 40 P equals to 10, 20 C equals to tuple. 10, 20, 30, 40. Print A and చెప్తారా? Print
Type of
B
A.
and next one print C. Okay. Can I run this code?
Yeah.
Yeah. So list and tuple insertion order is fixed. List and tuple insertion order is fixed. Set insertion order is not fixed. The order is very disciplined in list and tuple, but set not disciplined. అంత క్రమశిక్షణగా లేదు సార్. ఏమరే? Yeah. Move on this. Daniel, why? Back end there are some hashing techniques you know need to be understand. Insertion order, so set. Insertion order is not fixed. Good. Insertion order actually. Come on, repeat one more time. Create, store, size, insertion order. One more time. Why I'm repeating means you should not remember. I'm sorry, you should not forget. మీరు మర్చిపోకూడదు. Okay. Move on to the next one. Not fixed. Next one is duplicate values. Daniel, duplicates actually. Set cannot store. Simple. చెప్పండి సార్. Set cannot store. Maybe can we maintain one table actually, sir? Yeah, Daniel. Duplicates. Duplicate values. Can store, cannot store. Where it can store, where it cannot store, let us maintain actually. Chapter sir, where it can store? List and tuple. List can store. The next one, tuple, set. It is also having another name. This name is also called as a set cannot store duplicate. Kada? Set cannot store duplicate value. Repeating again. Any confusion? Set cannot store duplicate values. The next one, set can store unique values only. What values are? Unique values only. Only unique values. Are you trying to inserting? Let me tell you one interview question. Maybe one interview question cover chestan chudandi. Let me cover one interview question. Same story I would like to take. Same topic. Here you can just have to add 10. Exactly. Let us execute this example. Yeah, good. You are getting list and tuple. It is storing duplicate value, but set is not storing duplicate value. Set is not storing what such a duplicate value. During interview, how they will ask question, let me cover. During interview, they will ask a question like this. A equals to, they will take paper and they will directly write the code like this. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now print of A. Print of what exactly? A. Now first question they will ask, can you talk with me? Is set can store duplicate? Actually, they will ask a question. Tell me your answer. No. Then what they will do? Let me try to store duplicate. You are repeating like set cannot store duplicate. But if I am storing duplicate, they will ask a question, what is error? Did you understand the counter question? We are answering like it cannot store. Oh, it is not storing, right? Let me store. What happened? They will ask actually. Then they will ask, let me, can you please tell me the error name? Can you please tell me what's the error name? You should respond like, no error. What's the no error. Simply, if duplicate value is available, just it will skip that value to store. It will just skip actually. Backend there is a checking by using in operator. What operator? Backend it will apply in operator. Exactly. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Good. Let's take this. Let us here play small game. And maybe I hope you already know. Prove. I already covered, I guess, this example, right? So why? Because true backend representing with 1. Yeah, make a note on this. That's why only true, no one value, right? So set cannot store duplicate. Raju,
Rani.
Daniel, Rani. Can you tell me what is output actually? Raju, Daniel, Rani. Very good. Why last Raju? Nice, Sarji. You got it, I guess. Yeah. Raju. Why capital letter came actually? Python is case sensitive, right? Almost 3 letters are matching. It should match everything actually. Then only it will consider that is a duplicate. At least one character is uppercase. It will consider unique value. What value, sir? Unique value. Nice. So seems to be we almost. Can I drink water? Yeah. Ayo. Yeah, here we are. Sir, can I continue, madam? Can I continue? Thank you. Come on, let us read one more time. Create stores. One more time. Create duplicates. Duplicate value or duplicate. More to the next one actually. Set having mutable nature. Set having what nature? Mutable nature. Mutable nature. Is set mutable? Yes. It can change the value. So yes. Set having mutable nature. Yes, it is immutable actually. What do you mean by that? A equals to have created a set 10, 20, 30, 40. I wanted to add one value. I wanted to add what, Saji? One value. Yeah, you can add actually. There is a one method. Method name is a dot add method. What method? Add method. In list, to add a value, the method name is a append method. Repeating again, in list, do you want to add a value? You need to use a method. Method name is a append. But in set, add method. What method? Add method. Add method. Yeah. 99 added actually. Means tuple is changing. I'm sorry. Set is, why tuple is coming always? Okay. Sorry. What happened, Daniel? Yeah. Set having mutable nature. Set having what nature? Mutable nature. Mutable means once we create a set object, then we can change or modify the content of set object. Set data structure cannot store the elements in a indexing order. What order, Saji? Index. Oh, mutable. Can I draw a table? Mutable. Mutable. Can I draw a table? Yeah. Chapana sir, immutable. Can you help me? Chapter or no, hold on. First of all, let us mutable. The next one, immutable. Mutable data, immutable data. Good. Chapana sir, first one, list what exactly? Set. Let us add dictionary also. Let us add what, Saji? Dictionary also. Dictionary. Anyway, Daniel dictionary I will cover in next session. Here is what exactly? Tuple. String also will come. Are you guys getting? Easy, very easy, sir. Very easy. Did you added that example? Yeah, I have added. Last one will be index. set having, set having no indexing nature, no indexing nature actually. No, set will not follow indexing nature, not follow index. Simple. These are all points we have to aware Sachi. If you know these points seriously, you are good actually. Daniel, set will not allow index, right? I mean to say indexing is not possible. Let us try that example. What happened? A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah. I will show you example. Tuple and B. This is called as a C. I would like to make it tuple. Even I would like to make it what such a tuple. Okay. Let me from here. Print of A, print of B, print of C. Okay, good. A of 0, chaptara 10. Very good. B of 0, 10. Let's try. I'm sorry, but let me just try to provide C of 0. Sorry, please. You should not apply. Not subscriptable. Set object is not what, Saji? Subscriptable. It is not possible. Don't try to apply index on set. Don't try to apply index on what, Saji? Set actually. Set. If you apply error, if you apply, you will get what, Saji? Error.
Error, definitely. Surely. Sure.
Chaptara sir, can you help me? First one, list. Next one, tuple. Here it is, set. Very good. Today really you got a nice clarity. I hope I covered. These are all topics, so these are all points in a set data structure. Set data structure, set data store, size, insertion order, duplicate, mutable, index actually. Yeah, we can create let me give a small recap. Sir, these are all, you can also call as features and characteristics. So these are all nature. This is the nature about the set data structure. These are all characteristics in a set. These are all features in a set. We can create a set by using curly brace, also called as a flower braces, with values. What is that? Value mandatory. Otherwise, that is not a set. We'll see. That is a separate interview question. That's what I'm keeping the suspense actual. Set function also, we'll see. Store, it can store same type of value and different type of value. Size, having dynamic nature, yes. Insertion order, not fixed, sir. It's not fixed, right? Like a jumbled order you will get actually. Duplicates, set cannot store. Set cannot store dupes, right? Mutable, yes. Mutable actual. What do you mean by that? You can update the set. Based on your requirement, you can update the set. Index, no. Not possible. If you're still trying, you will get error. If you're still trying, you will get what, Saji? Error actually. We done this. Move on. Blah blah blah. I hope you already know. Inside set, this we can cover during whoops actually. Set is a predefined class. So again, it is a class. Then definitely guess the one topic, methods. Methods actually. Make a note. Once we create a set object, then internally object is created for set class. Inside set, every object can be separated by using comma separator. What separator? Yeah, move on. When should you go for set? What is your requirement? First of all, if you wanted to represent group of unique values as a single entity, if you wanted to represent a group of unique values as a single entity, then we should go for what, Saji? Set data structure. We should go for what exactly? Set data structure. Make a note on this. Set cannot store duplicate elements. Set cannot store what, Saji? Duplicate. We already know that. Insertion order is not present. We know, I guess. We can create a set by using curly braces and all elements separated by using one. This example I covered. So 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 values we are inserting. 10, 40. Let us continue. Can I run this example? Yeah. We already run actually, right? So how many functions I'm using here? How many? 2. First one, print. Next one, type. Creating a set by using a different types of elements. Yeah, I would like to say set can store heterogeneous data. Set can store different type of the data. Integer value, string value, floating value, string value. Again, what exactly? Integer value. Okay? Yeah, move on. Creating a set by using range. Yeah, we can create same story like a list and tuple sub. Same story. Daniel, I do have a range of values. Okay. R equals to range of values starting from 1 till to 11. Then total how many values? 1 to 10. 10 values. Kada? Then from this I need to create a list of are possible. From this I need to create a tuple of what exactly, sir, are possible. C equals to tuple of what exactly? Yeah. This is the set. Then can you help me? Let me print A. Yeah. Let me print A. Let me print B. Let me print what, Sachi? C. Yeah, see. Look at my screen. Conclusion of the story. Range is sir. How many functions I am using here, Chaptara? I will cry. 5 function. How many? 5. Range, list, tuple, set, print. 5 functions we are using. Right, good. We have a range. Do you need list actually? Yes, list function. Tuple function. Set function. That's it. Beautiful, sir. Very nice actually. All right, you guys kindly please walk through, and the order is not fixed actually. Duplicates are not allowed. Creating a set by using set function. By using what function? Set. Just now even I covered actually. So just now even I covered set function also I have covered. You need to walk through this theory. Empty set. Important interview question. Let me continue tomorrow. The topic itself is important actually. Please, so try to join session at right time. If you guys are coming to the late actually, I request you.
Madam.
We done today's session 9:30 we done today's session. That's still okay, but try to join early actually. Tomorrow the first 5 minutes is interview question. Don't miss tomorrow discussion.